So, hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about while loops. Actually, it is a second type of loop. We have already discussed about for loop. Now we will discuss about while loops. Yeah, in while loop, this is your tag, just while. It is similar like for loop. I write the code. First of all, in while loop, you use only inside this parameter. In while loop, we will give only this like that. First of all, initialization integer I equal to 0. Next, we have to give condition like that. Integer I less than or equal to or less than 10 or anything else. Then just print it. System dot out dot print just I value. Here in this code, we just give the condition inside the while loop and initialize the value outside the loop. You cannot use like that because while loop contain only this value. Yeah. So we'll run this code and give an explanation about that. Here in this case, we will execute it infinitely because I will stop it. Yeah, because your IR is always 0. Here in this case, if ability to, then your IR will become 2 infinitely. So means how to get reduce it. So we have to increment the I value. So just I equal to I plus 1. This is I value plus 1. Now run this code. Yeah. In this case, your value will be incremented and give the result top result and will not go to the infinite loop. We also give like that I plus plus. Both are similar terms outside the loop and give your increment value inside the loop because Java read the line by line your code. Then it read first of all read the initializing statement, then this it check the condition, then print. After printing, then change the value, then go to while again. There is another kind of while loop also. Here in this case, I declare boolean value just true. Then return statement system dot out dot println just hello. In this statement, give true. In Java, it read while then true. In this case, there is no declaration or anything else. It will become true. Always it will true. Then execute this statement. After executing, again check it. It will become true. Always it becomes so infinitely it will go. Yeah, like that. Yeah, these are the basics from while loops. Say off for